Buenos días, chicos y chicas. In this video, I will be showing you how to access the classzone.com because we are having issues with the textbook, so we can't really work into our online textbook. So first, you will go to www.classzone.com and click enter. In here, we're going to select World Languages for high school. You're going to select your state and you're going to find your book and you will hit go. In here, you're going to select Avancemos Uno because that is the textbook that we are using. And what you will be looking for is going to be the at-home tutor, okay? The at-home tutor. So you're going to click on the at-home tutor and you will have to click on enable Adobe Flash Player and allow it if that is what is showing for you. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Then in here you're going to write your name. Now it's important that you write your legal name so I will know who you are. Then you're going to select beginner. Okay. Always start with the beginner level. And as you noticed, there are 3 different levels. So we have beginner, we have level B, which is more of a challenging level, and the challenged level, level C. So in order for you to be able to perform very well on any kind of work or assessment that I will be giving to you, it's important that you are able to do it very well at the C level. So now you're going to select the unit that you're currently working on. So in our case, we're going to be working on Unidad 1, Lección 2. And as you can see, there's various options in here. Specifically, you'll be working on vocabulario. And then you're going to select práctica. Okay? And you are going to be working on every single one of them. And when you are finished, make sure that you click answer. Okay, so for example, you're going to use 5 adjectives. You're going to choose the 5 adjectives from here. So for example, for me, let's say I'm going to choose joven, alta, inteligente. So there's no right or wrong answers in this case. Trabajadora, trabajadora, okay, and finally I will be choosing let's see what else I can choose from here. Estudiosa or organizada, either one. Organizada. Okay, so I will be selecting that, and since this is going to be no right or wrong answer, okay, that's what's going to be. Then you will select the next one and you will complete the next one. Make sure that you read the instructions every single time you have one of these. So you're going to go through número 3, número 4, número 5. And when you complete, you will choose either level B or level C. Now, if you do any others that I do not assign, because you have to choose 2 levels to work on it, if you do all 3 levels, you're going to get extra credit. Okay, when you are finished with your session, you're going to click on Session Report. And then you will click here to email the summary. Okay, and you are going to click my email address, which is sylvia.mindrescu at, you can find the at symbol, at Gwinnett County Public School, K12.org. Okay, and you can put your email address and then you will click submit. Now this way, I will receive an email with all your work. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know.